Hello and welcome to this course on cybersecurity tools and cyber attacks. Every line of code could be a potential battleground in the modern digital landscape.
This risk is further amplified as nearly every organization has digital presence with sensitive information online.
In a world where cyber threats loom large and data breaches are headline news, the demand for cybersecurity professionals has reached an unprecedented level.
In this course, you will learn all about the latest cyber threats and techniques for thwarting cyber attacks. In addition, you will also gain practical exposure and insights into cybersecurity tools, setting you up for success in this thriving field.
This course is intended for anyone interested in cybersecurity concepts or seeking a career in cybersecurity. It is recommended that you have basic knowledge of IT fundamentals. This course consists of 5 modules covering various aspects of cybersecurity, tools, and cyber attacks. Module 1, titled Cybersecurity Insights, will explore the historical evolution of cybersecurity and the significance of critical thinking within the field. You will learn about the key events that shaped global cybersecurity laws and practices.
Finally, you will delve into the 5 elements of the critical thinking model.
In Module 2, titled Cybersecurity Threats, you will gain insights into emerging cybersecurity trends, threat actors, malware, ransomware, and defensive strategies.
You will also learn about social engineering, its various types, and preventive methods.
Module 3, Cybersecurity Controls, will cover a range of internet security threats such as network mapping, packet sniffing, IP spoofing, denial of service attacks, and injection attacks. You will also explore systems, networks, and application securities,
vulnerability assessment,
incident response, and digital forensics. In Module 4, Identity and Physical Controls, you will learn about identity and access management, which is also called as IAM and access control. You will also learn about physical threats and controls. In the final module, you will be presented with a project on securing access.
In this project, you will explore a real-world inspired scenario,
identify potential security vulnerabilities, and provide recommendations to strengthen the organization's security posture.
Upon successful completion of the entire course and passing all the graded assessments and the final project, you will receive a certificate and a badge from IBM. To get the most from this course, make sure you
watch every video, go through each reading, check your understanding with the quizzes, perform the hands-on labs and activities, test your knowledge with the graded assessments, and lastly, complete the final project.
You could also engage with fellow learners in the course discussion forums. If you need assistance with the course material, please feel free to contact the course staff through the forums.
Thank you for being a part of this course. We are thrilled to have you join us on this learning journey.